I recently built a workstation for buffing, sanding, some jewelry work, some rotary tool work, some sharpening work. Link is up here. And one of the items that I have, well, I have these pliers here. Some flush cutters, some jewelry pliers, and needle nose pliers, which I've flattened. I've gotten rid of the ribs just not to destroy any metalwork that I'm working with. I had them in this little somewhat carousel. I had them sitting here, which was kind of cool. It wasn't sturdy, kept flipping over, and this was a mess. So what I want to do is improve on this. I need a better base. I'm kind of thinking about flipping it over. I want to shorten that a bit. It's a little bit too high. I made a circle. I've got 8 of these. I've divided into 8. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some holes, cut out the circle, put these holes in here. I'm going to use a 3/8 drill bit. Most of them fit. I think this one and this one, I'm going to have to use a 1/2-inch hole. Maybe this one too, 1/2-inch drill bit. I've got them 7/8 inches in from the edge. Let me just drill that, see how they fit, right? And see what I need to do to improve on that to make it more stable, because I know that these are going to kind of fall this way. So anyways, that's the next step here. Let me just cut this on the bandsaw and I'll be right back. This is a prototype, right? So it's not a perfect circle. I'm just roughing it out. Drill press is faster. Let me go to that. To make it a little bit bigger, right? The holes. That one doesn't fit. That one doesn't fit. That one doesn't fit. That one's fit. That one doesn't fit. So I have to use a 1/2-inch. See, that's going to sit like that. I don't want that. Maybe that does that. That doesn't fit. That doesn't fit. That's what's going to happen. What if I get a skirt? Is it called a skirt? Made 4 of the holes larger. Way too large. I don't know. Let's see. This one goes there. There. See, that's what I didn't want. Or did I? That's not going to fit. How to improve? Let's make them all 3/4 inch. I didn't go through all that one. Okay, so we'll do this. We do this. This one goes this way. It goes this way. This one goes this way. This goes this way. That goes this way. It goes this way. It'd be nice to have them all this way, wouldn't it? So this one goes here. No. Okay, I found some pine laying around. I don't know if you can see the lines here. So I drew the circle at 6¼ inches. I've drawn the width of the ABS or PVC. I don't know what the gray one is. Black one's ABS, the white one's PVC. It's probably ABS. Anyways, that's that. Sorry. I've drawn the circles on where I want the holes to be. They're 3/4 inch circles, so 3/4 inch holes. There's gonna be 4 of them that are double the width, or 1 3/4 times the width of the 3/4 inches. I'm gonna keep 1 3/4 inch hole the same, and I'm gonna use 1/2 inch drill bits for the smaller pliers, for these ones. I don't want them, this is too wide. They're gonna slide, they're flop back and forth. So the 1/2 inch, it'll sit in there nice snugly. I may have to put in a 3rd hole, I don't know yet. So I figured I'd do a test run before I cut out the circle. And then I'm also thinking maybe I just do it in octagon. Maybe that'll be cooler. I don't know. We'll see. So let me go to the drill press. Let me cut out these holes. I'll spare you watching me drill some holes. So I'll be right back. Okay, that was quick. So I'll just test it out here. So it sits there. This one will go there. This will go here. Another weighty one. This will go here. This will go here. This will go here. Oh, I need to make this one a little bit bigger. Damn. Okay. A little bit bigger on this one. This will go here. This stays on this one. And this one goes here. So that's nice, actually. I like that. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay. So, final test. It's good. That's going to be cut down quite a bit, substantially. I'd like to make it rotate. Let me think about that while I stain it. Ipswich pine. Maybe I'll go espresso. Let me think about it. I got to think for a minute. Let me clean up. Let me stain it. Clean up, stain. Clean up, stain. Clean up, stain. Stain, clean up. Cut. Rotate? How's it going to rotate? Don't know yet. Oh no! It may not rotate. Be nice to rotate. A little carousel. Let me think about that. All right, staining, coming back. Sorry. Oh my gosh. So, I'll be honest. This looks actually nice at the top. I kind of like the looks. And I'm thinking, I need something nicer than PVC pipes as a stand and a base. So, ABS. Like, I don't know which one the gray one is. And I'd like it to swivel, be like a carousel. I have a wooden dowel that's about 1.25 inches thick, 1.5 inches. However, my daughter seems to take things from the workshop, and I never see them again. Let me just see if it's around here somewhere. Found it. So this is, let's see how thick this is. 1.25 inches, as I thought. Okay, I've got a 1.25 inch dowel that'll sit on the bottom. It's going to sit like this, right? I'd like it to rotate. I need a base. How do we get it to rotate? Okay, time for an update. 1.25 inch dowel. I've got two same wood. It's the pine, 3/4 inch, cut into rounds. I think it's about 4.5 inches. I've got a Lazy Susan adapter, a swivel coming. I'll add that in between these two pieces, and this will turn. It's a little bit high. I need to cut off 1 inch off the dowel, which will be fine. Maybe I'll put a little handle here to turn. Stain it. I think we're good, right? So I won't have the swivel till tomorrow. I want to get that work done before I stain it. Or maybe I stain it now. I'll wait. No, I'm going to stain it now. Stained, and a clear coat has been applied, so it's nice and shiny, glittery. Woohoo! Here's the top, here's the bottom. I've ordered this swivel, Lazy Susan swivel thing. It's a 5/16 inch thickness, so it's going to be like that. I could cut into the wood and have the thickness, have the wood closer together, but honestly, look at this. I mean, it's not a perfect, it's just a piece of, it's for the workshop. This is good enough. The issue is, when I screw this into the bottom, how am I going to get it screwed onto the top? Because you can't take it apart. I had a bigger Lazy Susan, a swiveler, and there was a hole cut into it where you would, you know what, maybe when I screw it in, if I put a hole here, I drill a hole there, I come through it and oh, that's how I do it. This is how we're gonna do it. Okay, we gotta find the center of this. I can't just eye it, can I? Or can I? Okay. Do not move it. We're going 6/2 inch, 6/5/8. Do I have 6/5/8? I sure hope this is approximately center. It'll be a shame. Such a shame on me. Okay. Here we go. I will have to drill a hole afterwards. What I'm going to do is drill a hole there. Correct? Okay. Right there. Let's check it again. Well, that's it. Oh, they're touching. Well, because it's not finished. It's finished screwing it in. Okay. Next hole. So there you have it. One, two, three, four. This one goes in the round. This one goes here. This one goes in the long one. And this one is here. So there you have the carousel. The plier carousel. I was going to put a little handle here. I decided not to. Only because I've got a height tolerance. I've got a shelf that this is going to sit under. And if I put a handle here, it'll hit it. So you can put any handle you want. You can get a dowel if you want, just to have a little carving. I don't know. You can do whatever you want. As always, thanks for joining, guys. Until next time.